Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass and Addie Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear Lake. Today we are over at 659 St. Moritz. So I like to feature some fixer-upper homes from time to time, and this one is a beauty inside, still kind of like 1970s, just underneath Snow Summit. So come check this out, and we are going to hear how the girls think that you should remodel this house. Right here we are on the outside. So got some really neat architecture. Roof looks decent in most areas. You've got some woodpecker holes and some paint that could probably use to be touched up. So let's go inside. Okay, your fantasy place.
It's for a bedroom and a lot.
So girls, this is a great living room. What would you do to this space right here?
I make it baby blue.
Baby blue carpet?
I would add TV.
And add a TV is how you would remodel?
Up there, and then I put a couch.
Like a half circle couch?
Yeah, like right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put a chair right here and right here. I put the space on the angle, and then yeah.
Okay, and what about this kitchen? What would you do to this kitchen?
Fill it.
Would you change out the countertops?
Yes.
What would you put here?
I would
Marble.
And then this, I would repaint.
You would change it? You don't like that yellow sink? I love it.
I'd repaint the cabinets.
Repaint the cabinets? What about the stove? Would you just clean it, or would you?
I'd get rid of it.
That's a very vintage stove.
I get that.
Really cool. Floors, would you keep these floors, or would you remodel the floors?
I remodel the floors with like a wood, but not so slippery.
Yeah.
I like slippery so I can roller skate.
Let's check out this first bathroom and tell me what you think. First off, let's take a look at this. Look. Check out that. Did you know that's how they used to take showers in the 70s? Stand up.
Ew, there's a spider. There's a spider. Where? Where?
It's fine.
Where?
He's a dead spider.
Where?
So really cool bathroom downstairs.
Mom, look at there.
And then we're going to go into one of the bedrooms, which looks like it's been used as an office.
Yeah, I use that.
We could set this up as a library, like as a study where you all could do all of your homework.
For me, because I'm a
And then we've got this as a closet. And then we've got this garage right here.
What? It has a popcorn cart?
And they have a popcorn cart. So 2-car garage. And pretty much finished off on the inside. And this is going to be your laundry room. Would you change out the floors in here? Or would you keep carpet in the bathrooms?
I'd keep carpet in the bathroom.
You would? What happens if people pee on it? This is going to be my favorite room in the house.
What is it?
The spa room. So it's like a big old jacuzzi tub.
Oh, I call this room. No, this is the room.
But there's no jets. That's interesting. Oh, one jet.
Where?
One jet for 12 people. Let's go check out the backyard. Ooh, I would put lights up here. I like the privacy great too. And the fact that they have grass. You don't see much grass these days. No, that's a different yard.
Make a fence.
You throw up a fence. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs.
And there's a lot of it too.
Got a lot of these really cool 70s fixtures and a very, very thick
I
texture.
recommend you walk down the stairs with your kids. I recommend that you should put these commercial pies.
Don't go out there though.
And then
Okay, what would we do here? Like a ballet studio?
I really like
A karate studio?
ballet. Actually,
Look at this very unique piece of art right here too.
it's like craved into the wall. And then,
Graved into the wall.
and then here.
So let's check out this bathroom. Ooh, these are kind of interesting sinks. Seem somewhat updated. And then we've got another tub remodel right here. Unless you're into 70s and you just want to keep this as it is, I think you honestly could and just refloor the home. This is going to be the closet to what I would believe would be the kids' room.
And then here.
So what a fun little area to sleep in up there. Little shelf for your book. And you've got a closet down here. And I'm going to take you into the, let's call it the northern wing of the house. It's got a bar area.
I'd make this a game room, and that would be a bar. And then,
What do you need a bar for?
so when I have people over, and
They don't hate you. Do people hate you if you don't have a bar?
And then this will be my candy section.
Oh, you can make a candy bar.
Yeah. And then these are open.
This would make a great candy bar room. Ooh, a secret room? What would you do with this?
I'm gonna get a reading spot.
A reading spot?
There's my straps.
Then let's go in here. Yeah, look at these vintage switches. Just another
And you have perfect view.
Another bedroom.
And then that's onto your water bed.
Oh, you would put a water bed in here?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So let us, oh, we're not done yet. This is the master. So here is the master bathroom.
Big toilet.
With another bathroom remodel. And we've got a closet right here.
And a big mirror. And don't forget.
Let us know what you think.